All praise to you, how Bashem Yahushai, Bashem Rakakwadash. Still making these videos on the chariots, because there's a lot of, not even a lot anymore, just a little bit of doubt. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. A pillar of cloud by day and a pillar of fire by night. So we're still in theophany. Yahweh, the God of the Bible, manifested himself in a pillar of fire or a cloud in order to directly guide and comfort the Israelites while he rescued them from their Egyptian slavery. No problem. Citation you have to say all day. Throughout the Israelites' time in the desert, Exodus 13 and 21, and Yahweh, Hashem Yahushai, went before them by day in a pillar of a cloud to lead them the way, and by night in a pillar of fire to give them light, to go by day and night. Numbers 14 and 14. And this we tell our children all the time, and they will tell it to the inhabitants of this land, for they have heard that thou, Lord Yahweh Bashem Yahushai, are among this people, the Israelites, that Yahweh Bashem Yahushai are seen face to face, and that thy cloud standeth over them, and that thou goest before them by daytime in a pillar of cloud, and in a pillar of fire by night. Man, so that's why everybody wants to be an Israelite, but nobody wants to live like an Israelite. Alright, so we keep telling the story. We go out every week, right here, in Babylon the Great, prophesying the downfall of Babylon. Deuteronomy 1:33, who went in the way before you to search you out a place to pitch your tents in, and by fire by night to show you by the way you should go, and in a cloud by day. So Yahweh Bashem Yahushai went before us to search out the place to pitch a tent, and it's called the aerial view. See, and you can't. This looks like it's brand fucking new. Right, and you can't at all say stuff like this is everybody's story. Everybody in every part of the world has this story. Story of the clouds by day and pillars by night. So in the Israelites story, Psalm 78 and 14, in the daytime also he led them with the cloud, and all the night with the light of fire. All night with the pillar of fire. There we go. And everybody knows the story in the whole world. Right? 1 Corinthians 10 and 1, moreover, brethren, I would not that ye should be ignorant, how that all our fathers were under the cloud, and all passed through the sea. See, and this is part of the reason why everybody knows, but most the captivities we went under, They were all trying to make themselves to be God because God was with his people. Yahweh Shem Yahushua was with his people within the chariots. Isaiah 4 and 5. And Yahweh Shem Yahushua will create upon every dwelling place of Mount Zion, and upon her assemblies, a cloud and smoke by day, and the shining of a flame fire by night. For upon all the glory shall be a defense. Right? Exodus 13:22. He took not away the pillar of cloud by day, nor the pillar of fire by night, from before the people of Yahweh Shem Yahushua. Isaiah 44. No. Isaiah 4 and 6. And there shall be a tabernacle for a shadow in the daytime from the heat, and for a place of refuge, and for a cover from storm and from rain, and protection basically. So that's, you know, Yahweh Shem Yahushua, Theophany right there. That's chariots. Let's see what that says, what that does. Right? A bunch of art. Okay, a bunch of art. But that's, let me give you similitude. I don't know if anybody remembers this movie, but this movie's pretty dope. Fire in the Sky. And that's about, basically right here. Alien abduction scene. Fire in the sky. So that's what it is. The chariots. Chariots are the fire in the sky. Man, that's gonna be awesome. So with that, I'm gonna say, Kal Halayim Lai Halbashim Yahushai Bashim no Kakodash, double honors to the apostles of GMS, to all the brothers out there teaching in truth and sincerity. Yahushai is a dark skinned man, so is his father, and they're coming back in chariots, like you see right here, to free the Hebrew Israelites, which are the Negroes, Latinos, and Native Americans, and the dispersed. So with that, I say Shalom.